Hi, everyone. I'm Sophia, and welcome to our brand new IELTS Speaking Podcast. I'm so excited to start this journey with you. In this series, we'll focus entirely on IELTS speaking, the part that many students find tricky, and I'll guide you step by step on how to improve. I still remember my first time speaking English in front of a class. I was so nervous I almost forgot my own name. But through practice and learning from mistakes, I became more confident. That's exactly what this podcast is here to help you with, building your confidence and improving your speaking skills. Many students struggle with IELTS speaking. Even if you know grammar and vocabulary, expressing your ideas clearly under exam conditions can be very challenging. This podcast was created to show realistic examples of how a candidate can perform at different band levels. Instead of just giving tips, we simulate the full speaking test so you can hear the differences firsthand. In each episode, you'll hear the same topic tackled 3 times. 1. Band 5, Simple Answers, Basic Vocabulary. 2. Band 7, Structured Answers, Better Vocabulary, More Examples. 3. Band 7.5 to 8, Confident, Analytical, Fluent, and Fully Developed Responses. This approach helps you understand exactly what examiners are looking for and how small changes in your language and confidence can raise your band score. Here's how to get the most out of this series. Listen actively. Focus not only on the words, but also how the candidate structures ideas. Compare the levels. Notice what changes from Band 5 to Band 7 and Band 7.5 to 8. Pause and practice. Try answering the same questions yourself at each level. Reflect on your progress. Think about vocabulary, grammar, and fluency improvements. Shadowing technique. Repeat after the candidate, matching pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. And take notes. Write down useful phrases and expressions for your own speaking practice. Don't worry if you're currently at a lower level. This podcast is for all students, whether beginner, intermediate, or advanced. Confidence grows gradually through practice and reflection. By listening to these examples, you'll see that even small improvements can make a big difference in your score. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. That's part of learning. Even I still practice before big presentations. In each episode, we simulate a full IELTS speaking test exactly like the real exam. Role play. My co-host, Max, will act as the examiner, and I, Sophia, will be the candidate. I will answer the same topic 3 times, Band 5, Band 7, and Band 7.5 to 8. Each simulation includes all 3 parts. Part 1, Introduction and Interview, Personal Questions and General Topics. Part 2, Long Turn, 1 to 2 minutes on a cue card topic. Part 3, Discussion, Deeper Analytical Questions. After each round, Max will summarize the band level and explain how to improve. This way, you'll experience the test like a real IELTS exam and learn exactly how to progress from a lower band to a higher band. By following this podcast series, you will hear real examples of Band 5, 7, and 7.5 to 8 speaking answers, learn how to improve fluency, vocabulary, grammar, and confidence. Understand how to structure answers for parts 1, 2, and 3. See a clear path of progression from lower to higher band scores. That's it for our comprehensive introduction episode. I hope you're excited to join this journey and find it extremely helpful for your IELTS speaking practice. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss our upcoming episodes.
In the next episode, we'll start practicing with real speaking simulations, showing the same topic at Band 5, 7, and 7.5 to 8. Thanks for listening, and I can't wait to see you in the next episode. Let's start improving together.